You must have heard of detoxifying your body, but have you ever heard of detoxifying your mind, soul, aura, as well as social media? Well, that's a bit quirky, isn't it? But what if I tell you that this is also an important part in the process of becoming your authentic self? Hey guys, welcome to Rachita's You Know Ya. Today, I'll be talking about some easy and effective steps to cleanse your mind, soul, and aura so that you can become your authentic self. Every few months, we declutter our home, booting all the things we don't need from our space. But did you ever take the time to cleanse your mind, your aura? There's no better time than now to do it and feel your absolute best. For once, it might seem a bit tricky and difficult to do so, but I bet you'll thank yourself later for this practice if you do it often because it works wonders. I practice it often, and today I'll be sharing a few ways of how it works so great for me. Can you not just spend some time every day for yourself to get rid of all this negativity and rethinking the way you spend your time? I bet if a person like me can do it, you can do it for sure. The first thing is to cut out all the low vibe and energy sucking people from your life. I know it has been really comfortable for you to be with them for so long, but once you relieve them from your lives, you'll feel really light. The second thing you can do is spend time with those lovely people who make you feel joyous and genuinely care for you. Most of us tend to run away from such people and are attracted to those energy suckers which I mentioned before. We should stop doing that, I'm telling you. The next thing you should practice is taking regular walks in the lap of nature. That's the best way of taking a break from the chaos of everyday life. The additional benefit to this is that you'll feel more grounded, and the relaxation helps in reducing the risk of depression. Next, have you ever tried getting rid of the clutter around you? Doing this quite often feels really good. You can do it by donating your clothes, accessories, stationery, etc. to someone who truly needs them. With this, you will stop feeling bogged down and stressed out. You'll also have truckloads of blessings as a cherry on the cake. And now, this one's the most overrated and the biggest time waster of the day. Can you make a wild guess? Yes, it's endlessly scrolling through Instagram. Try and channelize this energy into doing something else, maybe a hobby or something you like. Coming to the body, I always insist on eating homemade food, even if it's sometimes junk. And here, the best detoxifier is having regular cups of green teas, juices, etc. Cribbing about the taste doesn't work if you are genuinely interested in improving your health. The next thing I'm going to tell you is about shower meditation. It is something that you all should consider doing regularly. Shower meditation is visualizing the negativity flowing out of your body, mind, and soul and draining away, never to return. This is again a very powerful technique if you maintain consistency. If you are interested in knowing more about it, mention in the comments so I can consider making a separate detailed video. The last but not the least is the step of detoxifying your social media. Clear up all the contacts from your social media that no longer serve you and your growth. You don't have to think about what the other person will think of you once you remove them, because in the process of becoming your authentic self, you are answerable to no one else but you. Always love yourself and the way you are. Be your own company and practice regular affirmations such as every day, in every way, I am getting better and better. I'm sure if you practice the above given methods with consistency, you'll see great changes within yourself. Good luck! I'll conclude this video here. Kindly let me know how it worked for you. Put your queries and suggestions in the comments below. Sending loads of love and light your way. Thank you.